Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from Group B. We will present our weekly assignment entitled Attitudes and How to Change E-Wallet Platform GoPay by Gojek. Next. So this is our member. There are Alfian Arisaputra, Nabila Syahla, Naswa Natania, Raffi Firdaus, and me, Septri Hainisa Hamzah. Next. So this is the part one, persuasion, model, attitude, behavior. This is our flow diagram. So based on the flow diagram, explain how marketing communication can shape consumers' attitude and ultimately influence their behavior when using digital wallet service. GoPay relies on messages such as easy, safe, and profitable to create positive attitude towards its product. These messages are delivered through various channels such as social media, digital advertising, in-app promotions, and influencers. The source of the message comes from Gojek, brand partners, and user testimonials, all of which play a role in building trust. This persuasive communication encourages consumers to change their minds from initial trust. This persuasive communication from initial trust hesitation due to fear of fraud or hidden fees to a belief that GoPay is an efficient transaction solutions. So this positive attitude then influence consumer behavior such as increased frequency of use, variety of transactions like top-up payment, donation, and investment, and loyalty to GoPay compared to other digital wallets. Next. So this is the attitude function analysis. GoPay connect with two user main attitude function. The first one is utilitarian. So GoPay is practical. It makes payment fast, easy, and efficient. It works for online and offline transactions like paying for Gojek rides or snack at the local shop. One user said, aku pakai GoPay karena gampang banget buat bayar apapun cepat dan gak ribet. This shows how GoPay helps users save time and avoid the hassle of carrying cash. The second one is value expressive functions. It lets users show that they are modern, smart, and social aware. GoPay supports charity features and social programs, so user can donate easily. One interview said, aku senang pakai GoPay karena bisa langsung donasi juga. Aku merasa lebih kekinian dan smart. So GoPay is more than a payment tool. It's part of the user's identity. So GoPay is not just about paying, it's a lifestyle choice. It helps user with daily tasks while also showing who they are in the digital world. Next.
Okay, this is part three of cognitive and effective focus. Uh, okay, uh, this GoPay mainly use emotional marketing to connect with the user. It's shown as more than just payment tools. It's part of the assemble modern lifestyle as high-like daily movement, like a buying food or donating, all done easily with the GoPay. One user said it's make like a feel simple and kekinian. And GoPay also builds emotional value through social features. The in-app donation option lets users support cause easily, making them feel proud and helpful with just one click. Besides emotional appeal, GoPay also includes logical reason to use it. It promotes safely cashback and the flexibility. One user said that the GoPay is easy and full of promo and showing is practical to ensure GoPay combines emotion and logic in connect with the user, lifestyle, and the value, while offering clear benefits, making people feel good and smart about using it. And the next is part four, is measured exposure (ELM). Is according to elaborating likelihood models or ELM, we say, by Petty and Kakiopo, as it is in Solomon 2024, page 166, is persuasive messages are processed through two rules: the central root, deep logical and processing, and the peripheral route is surface level, cause like a visual or celebrity apples. And GoPay ads mostly use the peripheral route as shown by respondents like Seti, Shakila, and Salma, who were drawn to colorful, humorous visual and related by stories. This on so it's like this mentioned on the Solomon 2024 on page 167. However, GoPay also include central rules elements such as practical info on security and cashback, which apply to the user like Fiska and Ziad who seek more detailed content, while GoPay effectively target its young digital native audience with the peripheral skills, combining both routes can build stronger and long-term loyalty. It's on Solomon 2024, page 167. Okay, next, my friend will explain the part 5.
Okay, now it's the part 5, type of message appeal. GoPay uses emotional, rational, and humorous appeal to influence young customers' attitudes and behavior. This is from Solomon's book, 2024, page 175. Its emotional appeal comes from cheerful visual, reliable stories, and influencers, making the brand feel modern and easy to use. Rational appeal supports this with clear benefits like security, promos, and convenience, offering logical reason to choose GoPay. Humor adds memorability through funny ads and local comedians, creating a personal, reliable touch. This is from Solomon's book, 2024, page 168. By combining these approaches, GoPay effectively connects with its digital native audience. This is from Solomon's book, 2024, page 175. Next. Now it's part 6, medium and channels used. GoPay use social media platform like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok to reach young users who prefer fast, visual, and entertaining content. This strategy effectively grabs attention and builds connection through short videos, humor, influencers, and eye-catching visuals. Interviews with Sati, Shakila, Salma, Ziad, and Fiska shows that most discovered GoPay through these platforms. The contents mix entertainment with useful info, such as how to use the app, security features, and cashback offers. This aligns with peripheral route and ELM, where surface cues like visual and search attractiveness influence low involvement users. This is from Solomon's book, 2024, page 166. The strategy also appeals to the utilitarian function. This is from Solomon's book, 2024, page 156. By emphasizing rewards like ease of use and promos, and to narrative persuasions, and the effective component of attitudes by using reliable emotion stories. This is from Solomon's book, 2024, page 157 and 158. Respondents suggest adding formats like podcast or audio content to increase reach and depth. Overall, GoPay's social media presence effectively blends emotion, logic, and entertainment, make it feel modern and relevant.
So next is about key finding summary. So based on the interview and the ad analysis, GoPay marketing strategy effectively blends emotional appeal with the practical features, promoting its safety and a modern digital lifestyle. So the ads mostly use effective elements like fun visual, humor, and relatable scenes, but also include cognitive appeal such as cashback, security, and ease of use, giving both emotional and logical reason to use GoPay. And according to the elaboration likelihood model or ELM, GoPay primarily follows the peripheral route through the visual and influencer, but also uses the central route when highlighting useful features, appealing to the different type of user. So message appeal include emotional like modern lifestyle, and rationale like a promo or ease of use, and the humor like local comedian daily life scene, and often delivered in a story like a format for a stronger connection. So the social media like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and in-app message Argo Pace is main tools. So some users suggest exploring audio content like podcast to expand reach and improve the communication. Next. So this is the part A about the recommendation for strategy and improvement. So to better influence consumer attitudes and behavior, GoPay should balance emotional and appeal with more rational content, while entertaining ads and influencer work well via the peripheral route. Is from Solomon 2024, page 160 and 6. Some user prefer logical and detailed info. Adding short video or infographic about the cashback, security, and app features can appeal to create root user is from Solomon 2024, page 166 until 167. So GoPay should tailor content to match user involvement, like content for casual user and detailed info for analytical ones, emphasizing value expressive appeal by showing how GoPay reflects a modern, social-aware lifestyle can strengthen the identity-based attitudes. This is from Solomon 2024, page 156. And storytelling using real user experience build emotional connection via narrative persuasion. This is from Solomon 2024, page 160 and 8. And rumor increase recall and likability. This is from Solomon 2024, page 175. So the collaboration with the comedians and use of long form media like podcasts or explainers. This is from Solomon 2024, page 181, that can be broadened reach. So in short, combining a missional story with a clear rational info in the right format will boost trust and loyalty across different end user segment. Next, we'll explain what by my friend.
So this is the last part, the interview task. Based on interviews and ad analysis, GoPay's marketing strategy effectively blends emotional appeals with practical features, promoting ease, safety, and a modern digital lifestyle. The ads mostly use effective elements like funny visual, humor, and relatable scenes, but also include cognitive appeals such as cashback, security, and ease of use, giving both emotional and logical reason to use GoPay. According to elaboration likelihood model, or we can say ELM, GoPay primarily follows the peripheral route through visual and influencers, but also use the central route when highlighting useful features, appealing to different types of user. Message appeals include emotional, like modern lifestyle, rational, or we can say promo, is of use, and humor, like local comedian, daily life scene, often developed in a story-like format for stronger connection. Social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and in-app messages are GoPay main tools. Some users suggest exploring audio content like podcast to expand reach and improve communication. To understand how GoPay marketing strategy influence consumer attitudes and behaviors, we conduct interviews with 5 active GoPay users, all university students aged 21 and 22. The interviews follows the question guide provided in Appendix A, focusing on their initial perception, advertisement, influences, message focus, emotional versus rational, and prefer communication media. The response were then analyzed using relevant theories from consumer behavior by Michael R. Solomon.
Okay, next.
And that's all from us. Thank you.